I'm here on behalf of the Mr. President, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. He has mandated me. He has given me the powers, appointed me to be the Minister of Special Duty and Intergovernmental Affairs. Let me first of all appreciate him, because this is first of his kind that someone from the FCT to be appointed in the affairs of this country at the level of Federal Executive Council. So the people of the FCT, the indigenous people, the residents on Mr. President to appreciate him, but because the Constitution giving the power to appoint whoever from the states, and this time around, Abuja is regarded as a state. So to me, it's a honor given to me, and I'm humble for this appointment. And I have assured Nigerians that I will do my best to give all of us the best, so that the generation unborn will lay from the foundation. So I want to thank Mr. President, as also thank the ministry and the National Electoral Regulatory Commission for this visit that I'm here today. I will say my job is very simple. Having come all the way by my discipline and where I have served before this appointment, it's not a new thing to me. Even when I was in the parliament, I do interface with this before now with the National Electoral Regulatory Commission through your DGs before even the present DG. But I'm happy I'm meeting him again. Having met with other DGs and meet him here again with this with the commission. And let me say, Mr. President have 8-point agenda. This agenda are all about food security, ending poverty, economic growth and job creation, access to capital, inclusivity, security, fairness and rule of law, anti-corruption trends. These are the 8 agendas of Mr. President. And we must key in to this agenda. It's a teamwork. It's a teamwork. How do we get there? How do we do it? It's through the teamwork. And I believe if we do this, we'll get there. For on this note, discipline of the staff is one of the key. You must be disciplined, anti-corruption free. Respect your DG. Even others should also respect the directors. And I also need your cooperation. You need to respect me too. By doing that, I think we'll get there. We are not here by our merit. It's God who do this. And we must have to appreciate everyone who have given the support, and today we are here. So let me once again say thank you for this warm welcome that you received me this morning, and I hope this should not be the end of our visit. We'll also visit you again, and also visit your other agencies that within the ministry, and where you have some branches, we'll also visit those areas, because I want to acquaint myself on what is happening in the commission, so that tomorrow when I'm asked what is happening with the Electoral Regulation Commission, I should be able to speak well without missing of a word, that yes, the DG is doing well, and then the staff are also doing well. I'm happy that he said, although he said the poor salary, but I think you are one of the people who are paid better. But okay, it's normal, but but however, we'll take it. It's something we should review, and I believe our DG has got a task that we come up, we'll decide who can. The Budget Commission is there. We'll take the complaint to them and then see how the issue can be addressed. PAMSEC, I'm happy with all the staff of the ministry that it didn't fit to be part of this visit. I just asked PAMSEC whether she has been here. She has been in the ministry for over 1 year, 1.5 years now. She never come here. She was pleased. Okay. When I asked her, she said she's pleased that she said she's pleased that when I said I'm visiting here, she was also said, when did I come and I want to visit the place? But you know, let me tell you, I'm ready. I'm ready to work. They will work together for the betterment of our citizens. So I thank you very much for this visit. DJ,
Thank you very much.
but work, teamwork
Yes.
with me, teamwork with your staff,
Yes.
we'll get there. Thank you, and God bless all.
Can we take that and go on? The Honorable Minister has said everything.